What is up, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. Today we've got another cool video on this guy. I think I've got like 3 different videos just on this back to back, so be sure to check them out. I think this is probably the middle one, so one probably just came out before this one, and then you've still got another one coming up. But today we are talking about this guy here. Before we get into showing the clips of how it was actually made, what is this? This is the rear sight for this. It is gone because I mounted a Vortex Venom micro red dot on here, which is now on another one, so that I wanted it more on for conceal carry. So this was left with just the cutout for the Vortex Venom, which looks stupid, and I didn't have a rear sight. So I wanted to get another rear sight, and I was going over ideas of what to do, and this is what I came up with. This is all one piece. And this piece just fills in the cavity where the red dot mounts to, and then I machined a rear sight into this piece. So it's all one piece and uses the same mounting holes, obviously, as the Vortex Venom. So yeah, that's pretty much it, and I painted it black. I had like a darker, I think I used a heat resistant paint first, which was a real dull kind of finish, and then I went ahead and actually painted it gloss black, which I think looks a little bit better. But now that's pretty much everything with this. Now we'll be able to check out how I actually got it done. So that is how I made this rear sight for this guy. That is why I did it this way. That's what's going on with it. So be sure to give this video a thumbs up and let me know all of your thoughts down in the comment section below. As usual, I always say, if you're interested in anything going on here, I've done a video on just about everything I've done to this, and there is a whole playlist here on the channel. So if you've got a question about this, be sure to check out that playlist to watch the video on that if you haven't already. And if you have a question that one of those videos doesn't answer, be sure to let me know down in the comment section below. So be sure to let me know all of your thoughts down there.
Someone is at the front door.
No, I'm just kidding. So be sure to let me know all of your thoughts down in the comment section below, and be sure to smash that thumbs up button for me. And if you haven't yet, be sure to consider getting subscribed to the channel. That is all for today's video, and I will see you guys in the next one. See ya.